Sometimes on your Android phone, you may be using a headset. And in Android phones, if you want to adjust the volume of your headset, you can enable one setting according to the headset, and after that, the volume will be optimized for that headset. For this, first what we need to do is open Settings. When you're opening Settings, you can see one option, Sound Vibration. Click on Sound Vibration. And one thing is that sometimes, according to brands, there will be some changes. I am using a Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, the options are like this. Anyways, when you're scrolling down, you can see the sound effects option. Click on this, and when you click on that, here you can see adjust sound to earphones, and the thing is that you need to connect your headphones, then only you can see these options. Anyways, if you are having any confusion in this, what you can do is go back and open Settings again. And here you can see the search settings option. Here you can search for earphone. When you are searching for earphone, you can see that option, adjust sound to earphone. Just click on that and select this option. When you're selecting, you can see adjust sound to earphones. If it is turned off, just turn on this. After that, you need to select your earphone. And one thing is that you cannot see every headphone, only some options are there. Anyways, select your earphone and after that, the sound will be adjusted according to that earphone. So, this way you can easily enable the setting. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.